Yep. Out.
Miley, out of the strawberries.
Nope. Nope.
I'm here. It's funny when they go. It would be funny if Miley went on it.
Hey,
No,
Miley.
that would not be funny.
Miley. Miley.
That would be disaster.
Miley. 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 Come here, girl. Miley. You're just not even paying attention. Come here, Miley. Miley. Miley, come. Sit. Sit, Miley. Sit. 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 Come on. Sit. You're too excited. Sit. Good girl. What a good girl. What a good girl you are. What a good girl Miley is. Which one are you? Huh? Which one are you? Ah, that's Indy.
You got water dripping from your tennis shoes.
Indy.
You got water dripping from your tennis shoes.
Miley. Miley, be gentle.
You got water dripping from your tennis shoes. Yeah.
Miley, out of the strawberries. Come on, Miley. Bring them over here. Bring them over here, Miley. Bring them over here.
Get out of my strawberries.
Come on, Miley.
Come on.
Indy. Indy, come here.
Come on, I would like to have some more strawberries.
Come on.
That's a good idea.
Get out of the strawberries. Come on. Come on. Come on. Strawberries off limit. Off limits. Off limits. Go over there and play. Go over there and play.
Oh, here it comes.
Miley, bring May over here. Miley. Miley.
Come here.
Miley.
Swing right.
Come on, girl. Leave May alone.
Come here.
All right. Think they're wore out yet, honey?
I think they're getting there.
'Cause I'm wore out.
Okay. Come on.
They're going in the garage after this.
They're getting in the strawberries over here.
I know.
Come on. Come on, Miley.
Take
Ouch.
about a week for
Ankle
the
biter.
Okay. Let's go for a swing right. Go. Come here.
No. He doesn't want to go.
No.
I think
Just off the bite the strawberries.
anyone want to go for a swing ride?
Miley.
Swing ride.
Bring them over here, Miley. Come on,
They're
Miley.
gonna bark when we put them in the garage.
Come on, Miley.
Off limits to you.
Oh, you got some strawberries, didn't you? Oh, you did, Cloud. Don't let Grandpa see. Don't let Grandpa see.
No, Miley included.
Oh, stop, Miley.